Alright guys, update on the batteries. I'm gonna show you the results. Batteries are all charged. You can see a green light here. It's a green light right there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go, right there. And the red light is still there. You can hear little noises like tuck 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 tuck. Basically, it's coming from the batteries here. That means the batteries are desulfating, because if you're done, it's floating, and it's just if you look at here, it reconditions at 6 and float, and you can hear the little tack 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 noise is coming from the batteries here, because it's trickle charging the batteries, reconditioning the batteries, and trying to break all the desulfation. Listen carefully. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? I'm bringing it closer so you can hear it. All the batteries are making that kind of noise, little tick 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 sound. So it's on float, and recondition the batteries and trickle charge the batteries all at the same time. So I just want to give you a update, and this guy is doing a fantastic job. I didn't show you the other thing after the first charge, so I initialize it again. For the second charge, you can see, just to make sure the batteries are properly charged, the green light is on. It's due because of my camera. It's right here. You can see on the corner right here is a green light. So it's charged. So it's going to say fully charged right there. See that? Fully charged. There we go. So guys, this is what it is. So the battery is gonna be at a full charge now, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and put the meter, and to show you guys the voltage the batteries are sitting at right now after being charged. And hold on for me trying to do this with one hand. So what I'm gonna do, disconnect the charger so we can't have any wrong reading. I would have waited a little bit so the batteries can settle down before making a voltage reading. And I wasn't home. I just stepped in again, so I decided to take the advantage before I started doing other thing right now. So I'm gonna do this, show you the readings, and let's do this and stay tuned. Here is a voltage reading on the batteries, 13.44, like I mentioned earlier. So it's 13.44 on the batteries. It went up to about 14.4 charge when it was charging, absorbing. So guys, this is what it is. 13.44. Well, these are the results. The batteries are full charge again, and it's gonna stay like this for quite a while till I get them ready for the project I was gonna utilize them for. And till then, I'll let you know what's going on. All right, take care, guys. Love you guys all. Live from Minnesota, jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Like and subscribe.